So you want to remove the background noise from your videos? Stick around and we'll teach you the way. Now before you film anything, what you want to do is try and reduce as much background noise as you can before you hit that record button on the camera. What this technique does is it reduces background noise, it won't completely eliminate it. So the first thing to do is get yourself some footage on your Adobe Premiere timeline, and if we have a quick play through this so we know what we're working with.
And just like that, that is how you change the colour to black and white in Adobe Premiere.
And as you can hear from that footage, there's a lot of whirling in the background, and that's due to the fans on my PC. So to eliminate quite a lot of this noise, what we need to do is come to the left hand side of the screen and click on Effects. In the search box, if we start typing in denoise, we have got the denoiser effect right there. Don't worry about the denoiser obsolete, the denoiser is the new version. So if we grab hold of that, drag it onto the timeline over our video footage. From here, we want to go to the effects controls at the top left of the screen. If we scroll down, we've got the denoise effect just sitting there. And what we want to do from here is go to where it says individual parameters, click on the little arrow. We've got amount, click on the arrow for that one as well. And now we've got this slide bar, which by default it sets itself at 40%. So if we leave it on 40% and we play that footage back,
and just like that, that is how you change the colour to black and white in Adobe Premiere.
and from using that effect, that's eliminated quite a lot of the background noise. But what we can do is we can move this slider bar all the way up to 100%, and if we play that again,
and just like that, that is how you change the colour to black and white in Adobe Premiere.
now that has completely eliminated all that background noise of the computer fans, but you lose quite a lot of quality when it comes to the voice. So what you need to do is play around with this bar and just find that sweet spot so you don't hear the background noise but your voice still sounds okay. And what we've done here is we've dragged in the original footage, which is at the start of the video, and this one here is the one with the effect on. So let's have a listen and see how they compare.
And just like that, that is how you change the colour to black and white in Adobe Premiere. And just like that, that is how you change the colour to black and white in Adobe Premiere.
Thank you for checking out the video, we really do appreciate it. You can catch us live on Twitch. We stream on Wednesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays, 5:30 UK time. If you don't fancy coming and having a chat with us, have yourself an amazing day and we'll see you in the next one.